happiness in India is mostly economic. Don't believe the gurus who tell you that happiness is a state of mind. And if you don't agree with me, then talk to a housewife who's leading a life in depression, unable to feed her children. Talk to a farmer who's about to commit suicide because he lost his crop to the rain gods. Talk to an aged couple who have no income and no health benefits, and they will tell you what happiness is. A very good afternoon to all of you. I'm Rishita, and today I'm going to talk on the topic, universal basic income is the only way to eradicate poverty. Well, we have moved all the way along from the age of rock science to the age of rocket science, but poverty has always been a serious issue. A day has come where technology is continuously expanding, but 2/3 of the total population will still live in poverty. And here is the time to change this and encounter the situation with a magic bullet, and that is UBI, Universal Basic Income. Universal Basic Income is actually getting money for free every year. No questions asked and no strings attached. It is a topic which is actually very complicated and really controversial. Well, UBI is not something new. Thomas Paine in the 18th century was for it. Martin Luther King fought for it in 1967 and said that this would be tremendous. Yes, finally. But why? The crore rupee question here is, why do we need UBI? Why should we implement it? Why should the government give money for free? Well, automation and robotics are actually shaping the way we work. Today, everything is automated. By the year 2030, almost 47% of the jobs today will be lost. And that is almost half of the total population. And this will lead to unemployment. And most of them will become poor. And the reason is, the poor people will take 7 generations to actually get a mean income. And yes, what can UBI do for the people who are really deprived? UBI can actually help to eradicate poverty as it will give a basic income. UBI can be used so that no one has to sleep on streets. UBI can be used so that no one will die of hunger and malnutrition. Yet, there are many who oppose this idea of UBI. Because giving money for free will actually lead to inflation, it will demotivate people to work, and also, moreover, it's morally corrosive and extremely expensive. But for me, what's really expensive and incredibly difficult is poverty itself. Well, Alaska has been implementing this UBI system since the past 35 years, and reports state that there is improvement in the health and happiness standards. But the economy is constant, and Sikkim is the first state in India to approve this concept of UBI. Techies like Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg has actually supported this UBI and said that it will be necessary. But most of the policymakers ask, is this UBI necessary? Can we afford it? But the right question is, can we afford not to? So finally, here is the change. Let's rethink India and focus on skill development and entrepreneurship where we can stand still. And a woman who is financially independent can change the fate of the entire generation. So let's be Atmanirbhar and eradicate poverty. Finally, I would like to end my say by saying that poverty will be a state of mind if UBI is implemented. Thank you.